Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share TaskAI, world's first AI run Fiverr-like marketplace. Warning, this AI is so powerful, it should be illegal. World's only AI app instantly creates Fiverr-like AI run marketplace that sells AI generated services like images, videos, content writing, translation, audios, chatbots, voiceover and more. Plus, AI finds and close clients, processes all orders and collect payment round the clock while you sleep. Create your own Fiverr-like service marketplace. AI will act as your 24/7 automatic service provider. These freelancing sites auto-rank on Google for instant free traffic. Use our AI to find business leads that are ready to pay $1,000 for your AI services. Provide hundreds of different services with AI, without having any expertise. No tech skills or experience, anyone can do this. Rest easy with our 180-day money-back guarantee, we've got you covered. TaskAI Challenge, if you fail, we'll pay you $300. TaskAI has taken the world by storm. Thousands of people like you are tapping into AI to create Fiverr-like freelancing sites. To sell design services, copywriting, logo creation. All verified TaskAI user. You're just 3 steps away from activating your own AI-run Fiverr-like service marketplace. Step 1. Create. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Just enter any name you want and click Create button. Or, you can ask the AI to name the marketplace for you. Step 2. Activate. Turn on your AI-run Fiverr-like marketplace pre-filled with hundreds of gigs in just a single click. Easy as flipping on a light switch. Step 3. Profit. TaskAI finds businesses that need these AI services, closes the deal with the click of the mouse, and gets you paid $1,000 plus over and over again without any cold calling, hard selling, or hard work required. Yes, I want access to TaskAI now. 200 plus positive reviews, 4.6 average rating. Access Google plus Microsoft's powerful AI. Low one-time price, no monthly fees ever. 180-day money-back guarantee. Works flawlessly on any device. TaskAI can provide hundreds of different services to your customers. And because 100% of the work is done for you by the AI. Due to the recent pandemic, more businesses than ever before have gone online. These businesses need different services online and will gladly pay you $1,000 plus to render these services and help them get new customers that translate to sales. All verified TaskAI user. 1. Logo creation. Leverage the immense power of TaskAI to effortlessly design logos that look like they were created by a highly paid designer. 2. Graphic design. Not only can TaskAI create logos, it can create virtually any kind of graphic needed. 3. Copywriting. Use the finesse of TaskAI's AI to quickly whip up stunning copy for your clients that gets people to say shut up and take my money. 4. Write ebooks. People are always wanting ebooks written. Sadly, they normally cost an arm and a leg on sites like Fiverr. 5. Website design. In addition to copywriting, you can also sell website design services as a bundle, or separately. 6. Programming. This is yet another very lucrative service. People hate coding, and they're willing to pay $1,000 or even $10,000. It takes just a few customers to turn this into a full income. 7. Code debugging. There are thousands of people who were delivered buggy code by their developer, and they're willing to pay to have it fixed. 8. Web apps. You can charge $10,000 plus for a basic app. You just need one customer per month to make $10,000 per month. 9. Article writing. You can easily charge $50 to $100 per article, and TaskAI's AI can whip them up in just seconds. 10. Search engine optimization. TaskAI's AI can also optimize already existing content that's optimized to rank on all the search engines. 11. Audio and voiceovers. There are thousands of people who were delivered buggy code by their developer, and they're willing to pay to have it fixed. 12. Transcription services. You can easily charge $200 to $1,000 per audio or video transcription, all thanks to TaskAI's speech-to-text. If you need this product, click here to get TaskAI now. If you want to know more about this product, check my description link. Thank you for watching my video, like and subscribe to the Get Update.